Welcome aboard. I previously introduced you to Tapswap. In this video, I'll talk about some updates related to Tapswap and help you with secret codes. Tapswap is a large project with over 60 million users and a strong ecosystem. The fact that millions of people use Tapswap makes it a very important project. I can't predict how much the airdrop rewards will be, but I'm prepared for any possibility. Tapswap, transitioning from the Solana ecosystem to the Ton ecosystem, regularly holds events for users to earn extra points. When you enter the tasks section, you'll see many events there. These are activities where you can earn points by watching videos. However, simply watching the video isn't enough. There are hidden codes within the video that you need to find. So far, I've found many codes and entered them correctly. You can see the codes I found in the video's description section. To perform a task, click on the option you want. After that, press the Start Mission button. Then, use the Watch button to watch the video. This will redirect you to a YouTube video. You need to watch the video at normal speed and find the hidden codes. Once you find the codes, you should write them in this blank space and press the Submit button. By using the codes below the video, you can earn 200,000 points for each task. I am at the legendary level in Tapswap, and I'm very close to reaching the top level. Therefore, every point I collect is very important. We hope to receive good rewards from this project. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on notifications. See you in the next video.